objects or 3 individual products, but in the car itself, you usually would design it in that way that you can customize for yourself, that there's a logic behind, that if you see it here, you don't see it there, and things like this, or that you have redundancy for certain things, that you have full navigation screen here and the indication only there, things like this. But it's not realized in this demonstrator.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Maybe you ask her again.
Real-time data, we work together with TomTom.
TomTom, okay, you're in TomTom.
TomTom, and we work as well as here.
Okay.
But with a highly automated driving, we use TomTom for the project in the moment. And they have this HD traffic with their TomTom devices, get it from mobile phones. So they have a lot of input of real-time movement. And that is conglomerated together to information.
Okay. So TomTom, you just use them for like a software, or they use like the whole system? You're taking it from TomTom.
We take only bits and parts from TomTom.
What is that?
This is augmented reality for technical training and repair. It's not a simulation of a start-stop system. It's only like a function description.
What is it for a 3D?
I can get components and can turn the components around. And zoom the components. And I can combine it with classical information.
Easy to customizing.
Yeah, it's an authoring process. So technical authors can define and write and modify the 3D model, and then publish it into a solution that can display the augmented reality on the vehicle. If you want to have bad weather conditions, you even can have bad weather conditions.
Okay.
Everyone knows how annoying this is. A breakdown.
But it is just for
GPS.
Okay.
This is for all vehicles. We don't distinguish between passenger cars and commercial vehicles, and as well two-wheelers for motorbikes.
Okay.
We're supplying to a big motorbike builder as well, the TCU.
Is able to send data from the vehicle and also to build up a phone call. So and now the knee call can be triggered in 2 different ways, either automatically or manually. It is triggered automatically when an airbag is deployed. The telematic box recognizes the airbag is deployed, so there is an accident. Then the telematic box is automatically sending data to our service centers, and is also opening a telephone line. And what happens then? Let's assume we make now a manual e-call. We see in the head unit there is a call ongoing. We have an accident.
You had an accident. What happened exactly? How many people are injured?
2 people.
2 people are injured. Are there any infants or elderly people?
No.
Are any other cars involved?
2 cars are involved. So this is what the agent is seeing. So they automatically receive the geoposition of the vehicle, so they know where the vehicle is. They also know the language of the driver, because you select the language in the head unit, and this data is also submitted to our agents.
Which languages do they speak? Like every language?
Not every language. We do it currently in 15 languages around the globe.
Okay.
And this is very important, because And OEM sells vehicles around the globe, and they want their customers to be protected around the globe. Yeah. And
so, what do you need? Do you have through the satellite, or what type of feed? Do you have Bluetooth? What is your connection to the call center?
This is the telematics is building up a normal mobile
it's
connection.
A wireless.
It's a normal mobile.
No, it's not wireless. It's a mobile
just a mobile,
connection.
mobile connection.
It is.
That's what I meant. Yeah.
Exactly, and they're sending either an SMS or inbound data. So this is, and then we receive per GPS the geo position.
The location,
yeah?
Right.
And now the advantage is, first of all, we get this data from the vehicle. So for sure, the GPS position is the most important information at all to identify where the vehicle is, especially if the passengers are not able to talk anymore. Yeah? Then we know where the vehicle is. But while talking to the passengers, if they are able to do so, we can get further information. For example, how many people are involved, are there children or not? For example, if we know there are 10 or more people involved, we can tell the ambulance, hey, we need at least 2 or 3 vehicles because there are many people involved.
What happens if the
What is the driver logo and your car manager?
Exactly, your car manager. We have a new hardware, the drive lock connector. It's for every car from 2005 for the OBD2 port. It's in every car.
Every car?
Yeah, in 2005. You just plug it in and it's connected via Bluetooth with your iOS or Android phone. And got different...
Just the plug and play.
Exactly, just plug and play. We have pictures from every car so that you find this OBD2 port. And you got different features on it. So for every start, before you start the car, you got a car health check. So it scans your car and tells is everything okay with your car or not. When you got an error, it explains you exactly what the error is in very easily written language. You know, okay, what do you have to do now?
How many languages?
English and German, but we can provide it in every language for every market.
We also have it in French.
In French, also. And it's connected with, in Germany, with 8,500 workshops. So if you got a big problem with a car, you can find the workshop and book their appointment, drive to the workshop and get it fixed. And you have a log trip, so you see where did you drive, how much cost do you spend on the last trip, how much years you spent. We have also every gas station in it and prices. So if you go to the gas station, put the gas inside, we see how much costs are there. And the car finder, of course, for the car, and some visuals for while you drive. So you see for every trip how much gas you spend, how much euro you spend.
Good.
So it's very different to a lot of other departments from Bosch. It's very B2C for the B2C market. So for every car driver.
Ich habe, wenn ich jetzt irgendwie sagen, mein